Hi, today I would like to show you how to deploy a Fiori card, which will be created in the SAP Business Application Studio on the SAP Build Workzone, the Advanced Edition. I would like to show you how well the services are integrated with each other, so the focus will be on the integration and the deployment in this video. Have fun! I will now go from the SAP Build lobby to my workzone, so that you can see where the Fiori card should appear later. The workzone and the BRS are both available on the BTP as a service. When creating a Fiori card, I select the option Development for SAP Build Workzone. When creating the Fiori card, I select the option Development for SAP Build Workzone when creating the project. This can also be installed afterwards if you have forgotten it beforehand. I select the Fiori card from template, as I want to show you the integration of the two solutions and not just the development. Here in the preview view, I can see what my card would currently look like, and changes in the code also have a direct influence on the preview. I have now customized the card. The data all comes from a connected S/4HANA. This works with both the cloud and the on-premise solution. Now I'm going into the workzone. You can see the Advanced Edition here, but this also works with the Standard Edition. As an admin, I can insert the card that I just have created in the BRS. I just have to set it to active and the rest is fine. In another project, I have also built an app that I add directly. Now press publish and it's ready to use. I hope this video helped you. Have fun developing and see you next time. Bye.